does body work. Actually, he's a mechanic. But he had these things and brought them over and dropped them off with him. Motors. I'm not going to put anything in here before I get everything out. I know I keep saying that. Oh, but I got myself into a situation where I had no choice. This is a nice piece of stainless right here. See if any snakes under it. Maybe. Let me pick the other side up. This thing's heavy. Piece of stainless. No, I'm starting to tip it up here.
No, I got a grip. I got a hold.
Massive airflow motor. Just went out in a paint booth. Look at that. Spins pretty nice. Now this is what I'm so excited about, because this is 100% stainless. Stainless body, stainless bottom. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Oh, she's all stainless, bro. Huh? Oh, big ass fan. Look at that thing. It's a big motor inside of there. We just got to figure out how to get it out. I know how to get it out. Yeah, get all them bolts out of there. This is stainless. Beautiful stuff. I mean, it's so heavy too, man. I can get all the bolts out of it, take it apart, stainless clean. Make some money there. So that's the reason why I had to dump this off at the house, because of all the stainless. I can't get this apart in just a minute in the back of my trailer. And there's some big fan motors in there. I got to have them. And these people told me I could come back and get all of their auto parts from now on that they take off their cars. And there's another one of these that's even newer than this one that's coming out, and bigger actually, with better motors on them. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Stand that thing up, Weeble. Let's go to the lawnmower shop. Get some lawnmowers, or scrap metal, I should say. It's not lawnmowers. Not lawnmowers.